It's my first time.
This is like my third time making a video.
Well, this is my first time doing
He's
like
over there.
a video. He's over there getting fireworks.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah, we got,
We're having a challenge with fireworks right now.
yeah. I got some fireworks too. We could upload some videos when we do my fireworks. Or some shorts.
Yeah, you have the option
Hey,
to pause it.
why is this guy getting pink?
Hmm?
Why is this guy getting pink?
Probably a tornado warning.
That's-
Probably.
It's not good.
I know. We're gonna have to get in that room, move that bed, and get under the bed.
No, we wouldn't.
We have a basement under there.
We wouldn't have to do that immediately. It's just a tornado warning.
Tornado could actually happen.
No, but sirens will go off when there's a tornado.
Nuh-uh.
And yeah, sometimes.
Sirens will go off because it's a tornado warning.
But there's tornado warning.
Give up. Do you yield?
Water is dripping on my hair.
All right, back to bottle water.
We're doing bottle rockets now. Yeah, I finally got a YouTube channel.
Good.
Yeah.
See what with Joe earlier? Was that you that drove by? Or was you guys going?
Oh, we went to Lancaster fireworks shop. Wherever that one went. Here,
Let's stand up and
let's
show.
stand up.
I think they yielded after that.
I hurt my ears.
Whoa,
Do this, JJ.
Kinsley. Should I upload my video?
Not yet. Do this, JJ.
I couldn't record that because I only had one hand. Kinsley.
Come over here because we have like a better view.
For $5 fountain, that wasn't bad. Yeah.
Can you do another fountain? No, give JJ one of them glow stick thingies. You like them?
Glow stick.
They shoot out like sparks and stuff.
Hey, Kinsley. Guess what? We did one of the sprinklers. It was forever.
My video just stopped. Stop!
Hey, you're in a video.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm gonna stop my video now. See ya.